Explore Maui, offering a unique land and soul-based experience of Hawaii, focusing on natural wonders, ancestral knowledge, and the spirit of aloha. Enhance your understanding of the islands and its culture through our holistic educational approach. For a deeper dive into Hawaii's inner journey, check out our Hawaii Immersion course. Click the link below to buy the course and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Hawaii. This comprehensive program will dive into Hawaiian language basics called Olelo Hawaii, history, mythology, and family-centered education content linked to place-based learning. With over 31 lessons available for self-paced learning, you'll also have access to 4 live weekly sessions aimed at initiating your Hawaiian language journey. Click the link below to start your Hawaii Immersion course. Part of exploring Maui is learning Olelo Hawaii. Olelo Hawaii is the Hawaiian language, and in this episode, I'm going to give you a word, the idea, and a few sentences in Olelo Hawaii, just to warm your ears up to the language of Hawaii. Our first word is he aha. He aha. He aha, the mana'o, or the meaning is what? Here are some sentences. He aha ko makemake. What do you want? He aha ke la mea o waho. What is the thing outside? He aha kau ai no ka aina awakea. What did you eat for lunch? He aha ke ia. What is this? And he aha kau hana. What are you doing? He aha. Next word for today we have hele. Hele means to go. Here are some sentences. Ua hele wau me ko'u kupuna kane. Ua hele wau me ko'u kupuna kane. I went with Grandpa. I went with my grandpa. E hele kako I ka hale ku ai. E hele kako I ka hale ku ai. Let's go to the store. Hiki ya'u ke hele me o lua. Hiki ya'u ke hele me o lua. Can I go with you guys? And our last sentence. E hele ana o tutu I ka paha ko. Tutu is going to the bank. Hele. Our next word, helu. Helu is to count, and helu can also be a number. Here are some sentences with helu. Ua hiki ya'oe ke helu a hiki ka helu umi. Can you count up to 10? Ea ka helu. What's the number? E helu kaua. Let's count together. Maopopo ya'oe kau mau helu a pau. Do you know all your numbers? Helu. Next, we have helu helu. Helu helu means to read. Ua hiki ya'oe ke helu helu I keia. Can you read this? Mahea kau puke helu helu. Where's your reading book? E helu helu oi I kau puke. Read your book. Ua helu helu oi I kau puke holoko'a. Did you read the whole book? Mai ka iloa kau helu helu ana. You read very well. Helu helu. Next word is hiamoi, or moi. The mana'o for hiamoi is to sleep, or moi, to lie down. To sleep or to lie down. E hiamoi mai ka'i. Sleep good. Make oi e hiamoi. Would you like to sleep? E ho'i oi e hiamoi. Go back to sleep. Make oia e moi. He or she wants to lie down. And hiki ya'u ke moi ma keia moena. Can I sleep on this moena? Can I sleep on this bed? Hia moi, or moi. Another word, ho'i ho'i. Ho'i ho'i means to return. Hiki yaya ke ho'i ho'i I ka'u kala. Can you return my money? Pono o Kaimi e ho'i ho'i I kana maumea. Kaimi should return his things. Mai poina I ka ho'i ho'i I na vikio I keia la. Don't forget to return the videos today. Ua ho'i ho'i o Anakala I ke ka'a I nehine. Uncle returned the car yesterday. E ho'i ho'i oi I kau mea pa'ani I kahi I kupuna. Return the toys in its right place. Ho'i ho'i. Up next we have holoi. Holoi means to wash. Ua holoi wau I na pa. I washed the dishes. Ke holoi ne oia I kona kalaka. He is washing his truck. E holoi ka ako I ke ka'a. Let's all wash the car. And hiki a olua ke holoi I ka lole. Can you wash your clothes? Holoi. Next we have inu. Inu means to drink. Up next we have inu. Inu means to drink. E inu oi I kau vai hui ai. E inu oi I kau vai hua ai. Drink your juice. Ua inu a pauloa kau vaiu. Did you drink all of your milk? Make make oi I mea inu. Do you want a drink? E aha kau ono e inu ai. He vaiu, vai hua ai, vai a iole koloka. Would you like to drink milk, juice, water, or soda? Next we have kakao. Kakao means to write. Mayau kau kakao ana. Your writing is neat. E kakao oi I kau ha'avina. Write your lesson. E kakao oi me ka mayau. Write neatly. E kakao ho I kia mahele. Write this part again. Ua pau ke kakao ana. Did you finish your writing? Kakao. Next we have lohe or ho'olohe. Lohe means to hear. Ho'olohe means to listen. Ua lohe oi I keia. Did you hear that? Ua lohe oi ya'u. Did you hear me? E ho'olohe oi ya'u. E ho'olohe oi ya'u. Listen to me. Mai ka'i ko ho'olohe ana. You listen well. Lohe. Ho'olohe. Next we have mai. Mai means don't. Mai hana peia. Don't do that. Mai holoi e hele malie. Mai holo e hele malie. Don't run, walk. Mai pa'ani me ka mea ai. E ai mai ka'i. Don't play with the food. Eat nicely. Mai poina I ka'u honi. Mai poina I ka'u honi. Don't forget my kiss. Next we have mai ka'i. Mai ka'i means good or fine. E noho me ka mai ka'i. Sit properly. Mai ka'i kau hana. Good job. E hana mai ka'i oi. Do it well. Or you do well. Pehea oi. Mai ka'i no wau. How are you? I am fine. That's it for part 1 of our Olelo Hawaii Huaka'i, our Olelo Hawaii journey. Hope you learned some words today to add to your Olelo Hawaii journey. Until next time, ahui ho. As we wrap up our journey through Explore Maui, we hope you've experienced the true essence of Ohana and the island's spirit. This podcast has offered a unique perspective on Maui, focusing on both its natural wonders and timeless wisdom of aloha. Whether you're a homeschool family seeking real-world experience, a visitor looking to enrich your trip, or a long-time resident seeking fresh inspiration, Explore Maui has your go-to resource. Before we part ways, we have exciting news. Are you eager to dive deeper into the heart of Hawaii? Our upcoming Hawaii Immersion online course and webinars offer a unique opportunity to explore the profound depths of the Pacific Gem. Click the link below to discover about Hawaii's language, culture, and cosmic traditions as you've never seen them before.